Okay, once again, welcome back to our channel. This is me, Zilangam Koma. Today is 14th of February, and very happy Valentine's Day to all the viewers of our channel. So today is 14th of February. As our viewers may like to know what is 14th February. So 14th February is the day, and it is a Valentine's Day. 14th February is 45 days of the year, and there are 320 days remaining until at the end of the year. It is an occasion in which express their love to each other, and by expressing and by presenting flowers like rose, any flower, and by presenting a gift, a Valentine's Day card. So it is a special day for all the couples, especially for the couples.
Happy Valentine's Day to everyone.
Hi, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I'm Haibolong Jenme from Manipur. Let me give one wish to everyone. That is, your beautiful smile can set my heart on fire. That's all.
Hi guys, a very happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers. I have wrote some few lines for this day, and I want to read it out. I don't think you will ever fully understand how you have touched my life and made me who I am. You have allowed me to experience something very hard to find. Unconditional love that exists in my body, soul, and mind. You are an amazing person, and without you, I don't know where I would be. Having you in my life, complete and fulfill every part of me. So this time, I don't know whether you will like it or not.
Happy Valentine's Days. Without a friend like you, life is incomplete. So at these very special days of 14th February to 19th, I wish you from my heart that may these days bring you the true love and happiness in your life, and may these days brings a love to your neighbors, your friends, your family, brothers and sisters, and a grand happiness in all the circles of your life, as well as and a special mentions to you that these days bring you the true love to the ones you love. So happy Valentine's Days.
Really and I don't die
Hi, happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is not only for couple but also for friendship. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Good morning guys, welcome back once again to 14th February, Valentine's Day. This is the day where all the couples go to different places or to a hotels to take another chance and to enjoy. So I wish all the couples a very happy Valentine's Day. Thank you all.
Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.
So thank you so much for watching our channel. Once again, a very happy Valentine's Day to all the viewers. So for those who are newly viewers to our channel, I do request to subscribe our channel for more videos, and please on your notification bell to get the update videos, and share, like, so it will help me a lot to your friend. We'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and lastly, a very happy Valentine's Day, and enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.